of your dreams.
It's your boy, Mr. 96. I'm Paul, and I'm back with another video. So, let's see what we got going on today. I'm gonna attempt to try to do both seats, the top and the bottom. I think I'm gonna have to make a start run when I get through with this one. I have to get some more hog clamps because I'm kind of a little low. And yeah, we're gonna do this thing. We're gonna do all that. I might leave it in like it's the same color. Might put a little foam on there too, maybe a little thick. Want everything to be right. We're gonna start on there, baby. I got a surprise here. Remember that right there? Just remember that. We got a surprise. I'm finna flip around from the back and show y'all the back. And we're gonna go and get started on that thing. Alright, I done got it flipped over on the back. Looking at how you do it, so it should be pretty easy. Then the front seat. So all I'm doing is I'm gonna remove all these hog pins and just plant Newton's in. That's all. I think I'm gonna have to put no cushion in the back seat. Try to take these bolts out. And hog clamps right here. Hog clamps in here. So this should be pretty easy. I might just run on the clamps, but I'm trying to clamp it tight enough so I can keep it on there until I get finished. So what I'm gonna do is get this on cover and get back with you guys. Alright, I done got halfway off. I'm gonna flip the seat cover around and do the other half. Got that up and take these two bolts out. Yeah, it might be a easy job. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna see my local hardware store. Got some more hog rings. They're about 2 minutes away from them. I'm gonna see if they have some. If it don't, we're gonna do both seats the same day. And I gotta do my other driver seat. I still gotta get that little piece welded. So I get that welded today. I'm gonna do all of them today. It'll just be a part 3 video and that's it. If I don't, I'm gonna turn over to a part 4. Get right back with y'all guys once again. Alright, I'm back and the phone ain't too bad a shape. So I might still put some in here though. I might just leave it like it is. I don't wanna have it puff out too much. I might just put like a strip in there and have it puffed out. It wasn't too bad though. Then plus, nobody never sit in my back seats. Gotta get these clamps right here out. I get 3. Gotta get these clamps out in here. Start putting the thing back together. Hold on. I can see my bad, y'all. Got clamps in here. Here they go. I got 3 of them to get out. So I get them out. I'm start putting the thing back together. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put probably put a piece of foam in there, see how it look. But I'll see that and let y'all guys know. Alright, I done got it broken all down. My bad, so I can put foam, I'll put a piece of carpet in here and the other one, so it stick up just a little. But pretty much the foam look alright. I guess nobody never sat in the back seats. But plus, ain't nobody never sat in my back seats anyway, just keep real, which I ain't even gonna lie. But y'all tell me what y'all think I'm doing a pretty good job or what. But I'm gonna put the other seat cover on and put a couple hall rings in. I'm gonna have to run somewhere and get some hall rings. I'm trying to see my local hardware got them. You know, we're gonna do both seats. If I get my other seat welded today, we're gonna do this seat. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. So I ain't want to put too much foam in there then, because y'all really like a curve right here. And it come back with curves, so I ain't want to be pushing too far out. So yeah, I just cut the template out in the carpet. Now I'm finna go on, try to put the covers on. But once again, get rubber with y'all for the second time, third time, fourth time with charm. Alright, on the back. This is what I made of it so far to run out of hall rings. So none of my local hardware store had them. I had to been roll at least about 45 minutes to get some, so I ain't take that ride. I ain't feel like it. So I just ordered me some, and they'll be here Thursday. You can see I did like a pretty good job right here. Clamp them down. See, I missed one. Let's get them done, clamp one right there. I clamp them down over here. Push it back up. Y'all tell me what y'all think about that. I heard like a little thing that'll come out right there. But tell me what y'all think. So part 4, my bad, part 4. We're gonna wait on this part 3. So I got my other seat welded too. I'll show y'all guys that. But tell me what y'all think. Hey, I gotta show y'all something, so I'm including to the video. I'll show y'all something. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I can't show it to you yet, but you see that right here, right? Wonder why I took that out. You think I'll be moving the center console, right? Wonder why I took that out. Should I show y'all? Boom. That's why I took it out. Tell y'all think about the new the same guy who made this made that. Tell me what y'all think. I just had put into the video. They did a great job to them stitching. Hold on. Look at them details. It's all about the details. That's something. Put that out the way. There's something on that right there, but yeah. Tell me what y'all think.